Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna show you all how to prepare Manakeesh Zaatar and Zaatar Pide. This recipe comes from Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine. Let's first check out the ingredients to prepare the dough. We need 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of warm milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of curd. Let's get started. Take 500 grams of all-purpose flour and sieve it. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Then add 1 large egg. Two tablespoons of melted butter. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 3 tablespoons of curd, and then mix all the ingredients well with the flour. Once the ingredients are combined well, then add about 1.5 cups of warm milk and mix it well. And then knead the dough until it becomes soft. Cover the dough and leave it aside for about 3 hours. Now after 3 hours our dough is ready. Knead the dough once again for about 2 to 3 minutes and divide the dough into 4 pieces. Now let's check out the ingredients for making zaatar. We need salt, 5 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of thyme. Here I am using dry thyme, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, half teaspoon of chili flakes. We are gonna make zaatar mix in 2 ways. For the first way, take a dry bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of dry thyme, add little salt to it. This is optional. If you don't want, you can skip it. Then add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil, and mix it well. As the oil was not sufficient, so I am adding 2 more tablespoons of oil and mixing it. Now our zaatar mix is ready. Now roll out the dough into a round shape using the roller. You can even use your hands. Spread some olive oil on a baking tray and place the round sheet which was rolled out on it, and then using the fork poke the dough. Now add the zaatar mix which was prepared on it and spread it evenly. Then place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now for the second method, take the same bowl, add about 3 tablespoons of dry thyme to it. Then add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Add half teaspoon of chili flakes and half teaspoon of crushed garlics and some salt, that's optional, and mix it well. If the oil is not sufficient, then add 2 more tablespoons of oil to it. Now we are gonna make Zaatar Pide. For that, roll the dough in the same direction. This is how the rolled sheet should look. Spread some oil on the baking tray and place the rolled sheet on it. Put the mixture in the middle of the rolled sheet and spread it out evenly, and fold both the sides of the rolled sheet, and then garnish both the sides with the black cumin seeds. And place it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now you can see our Manakeesh Zaatar and Zaatar Pide are ready to be served. This Zaatar has a unique flavor which makes it more tasty. Hope you all liked my recipe. Try this recipe at your home. Please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you all for watching.